Hey guys, what up? Y'all remember, like, if you're like real OG, you would remember how I used to say, "Hey, my special unicorns" or something like that. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna be. Oops, I accidentally looked at it. I'm gonna be opening up my snack crate. I just got a paper cut on my wrist from a cardboard. Oh, this actually is gonna be dope. I got Japan this month, so we're going to Japan. Oh my god! Anywho's, oh my goodness! They have a Hokushiya Ido time. Oh god, I burped. Period sticker. Oh my god, I love that. If they just gave me a box full of those stickers, I wouldn't complain. Oh my gosh, this is like okay, y'all, it's beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh, there's so much. What is this? I gotta read what everything is. I think they have it all on these slips. Okay, let's see. No, is there more of these? Carrot Hail. Fear not, long-time Japanese favorite, tastes nothing like carrots. Is puffed rice snack. Oh my god, I love rice snacks. This is so cute. Bro. Japanese snacks, they look beautiful. What is this? Let's see. What is this one? I'm trying to find out what it is. What? Tacos. Excuse me. I can't find out which one it is. Oh wait, here it is. Hearty enough to fill you up, yet light enough to melt in your mouth. These light, airy corn puff taste exactly like you get corn soup. These are supposed to taste like corn soup. That's interesting. By the way, y'all should try the dragon fruit, or maybe it's the passion. I don't know. The new pink drink from Taco Bell. It tastes like mamba. Oh, popcorn. Okay. Alex might try and steal that. Okay, you see, this is what I'm curious about. Taco flavored chips. I can't even like express how excited I am to try. Like, these are some unique snacks. Oh, these are watermelon gummies. Okay, I gotta find out what these two candy bars are. Or at least I think they're candy bars. Okay. Oh. Okay. Delicious stick. Oh, it's a corn snack. Okay, so it's not a candy bar. Oh, they got a few of their flavors in here. Okay. So these are corn snacks, which I'm sorry, what is this? Cola frozen lemon. Am I supposed to? Now this one I need to read up on. How does this even work? How? What? Okay. Oh, here's the plus. Cola frozen lemon, refreshing, delicious. This frozen soda pouch is filled with sweet cola. You crave a hint of lemon. Okay, so I think I'm supposed to freeze this. I don't know. Oh, I'm supposed to shake it and it will freeze. Oops. I kind of shook it. Okay. I'm just gonna set that down. Oh, these are Cocoa Flakes. So these are chocolate flavored like Cocoa Flakes. I've had something like this. It was from the last box too. What? I can make my own little candy shapes. Bro, that's interesting. That's interesting. Okay. Tomato flavored Pret sticks. Don't know how I feel about that. That's gonna be interesting. Edamame? I don't know what it has to do with alcohol, but edamame? That actually looks really good. What is this? Long chew. The only thing longer than this is Ramoon flavored taffy candy. Oh, it's a candy. The amount of time you'll take to finish it, bite it, bend it, break it. We got Japan. Yeah. There's this thing where I shake it and it turns into like some Coca-Cola frozen lemon flavored stuff. Okay, so I already feel like that this is mocha flavored Kit Kat. Not exactly sure. Okay. Oh yeah, Japan has over like 300 different flavors of Kit Kat. I'm pretty sure this is mocha and I'm pretty sure this is strawberry, but I don't know. Is this like a loaf of bread? This is definitely interesting. This traditional snack is made of fried wheat and oat with brown sugar. Oh, I crushed it a little bit. Okay, they have another one of these little snack tray things. I'm pretty sure it's targeted towards kids, but like that specific snack. Panduro. Oh, these are little panda cookies, I think. Or maybe they're rice candies. Sours. Oh, these are sour gummies. I cannot wait. Hopefully sour gummies go hard in Japan. Oh, these are like the 2020 limited design, bro. Tokyo 2020. This is like a limited design. I can't wait to just eat it. Oh, it's another one of those rice things. Oh, it's a little candy cone. Those little corn things. Cocoa ball. I think I got one of these in the Hawaiian one. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Oh, Monster gum. Okay, so it's gum. Oh, that's crazy. So there's 3 gums in here, and one of them is like a really sour one. So it will just be kind of a shock. Oh yeah, they got grape mamba basically, which sounds amazing. And the last one, but most certainly not least, oh baby, look at this big ass box of Pocky strawberry. Anyways, that is everything I got in my snack crate. I'm definitely not disappointed. When I saw that it was Japan, I was like, oh, you know I'm gonna be eating good. But there is some like similar snacks to the ones that was in the last one, because the last one was Hawaii, and they have a lot of like mixed culture and everything. Not a lot, but like enough to point like where the food is kind of mixed culture. You can find a lot of similarities in some of the things, but there's also a lot of differences in other foods that they have. But yeah, I don't know. I've never been to Japan. I've been to Hawaii twice, but never Japan. My friend's in Japan right now. He's in the Navy, so he lives in a submarine and all of that jazz. Anyways. Oh, I gotta put that is it. This is a really beautiful packaging.
Thank you for watching.